there. Young Living made some really cool changes to their website recently, and I thought I would show you and kind of go through some of the new things and give you some tips, and maybe it will answer some of your questions. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen and go to the Young Living website. All right, so when I go here, if you're already a member, I'm like me, we're going to sign in. So I'm going to sign in, and it's going to take me same website. Okay, so let's start with up here, shop, learn, and the company. That's where we want to start because of course we're shopping. Now, so some of the new things under shop, of course, the essential oils you could look at, Living brands, and you could check out those. I love all of these and use all of it. So please ask me if you want recommendations. Okay, this is super new, the shop by need. And I think this is so helpful, like weight management, youthful living, cleansing, rest, exercise, sports, home care, frequency enhancement. And I think they'll be adding some more. So let's say we wanted youthful looking, and I'm just going to show you some of the examples that are in here. Achilles, amino wise, you could see stuff to give you hints about young living, being youthful, I guess. Let's say I wanted to learn some more. So if you wanted to, oh, before I do that, you might notice that Illuminize has a dark heart where Juva Cleanse is not. So a new feature is you can favorite your, or have like a wish list of what you like. You could heart it. So then you can search later under your account over all your favorites and you won't forget what you use all the time. So let's say I look at Illuminize though. And what I love about this is you can also learn more information when you scroll down. So look at features and benefits. It'll say if it's vegan, keto, cruelty-free, and there's some other little certifications for different products. Suggested uses, the supplement facts, and you can go down and learn about, oh, this is other cool part is you may also like, so things that are related to it. Is helpful. All right, so let me go back. And so we're under shop still. Shop by need. There's personal care, infused supplements, and then, oops, I'm gonna move my face here. Go under shop again. On this side, there's some other categories you can look at too as well. Okay, so that's under shop. Now, learn. This is an important one. Right now, I really want to highlight the website training videos. I've gone through most of these and they're so helpful. Young Living did a great job of answering all the most frequently asked questions or needs, and they're going to keep on updating it. So please look here. This would be your first stop if you don't understand things. Some of us don't like change, and technology is not for everyone, right? Figuring things out. So this answers probably any of your questions. So please go to this website training section. Under learn though, you can learn about what is the product difference with Young Living. Maybe you don't know their process. This is new, the Learning Center, and I was just exploring this and there's some really cool things. So there are some really short courses on just essential oils, on Ningxia Red, toxin-free cleaning, and then self-care. So you can click on those and there's kind of like interactive stuff. It's not like a whole bunch of information, but it's really neat. If you want to know about loyalty rewards, that's like the essential reward points, and what all about subscribe to save. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm sharing. I have a list of things here. Let's talk about subscribe to save. So the cool thing about this is it just changed its name from Essential Rewards, but we're all familiar with Subscribe to Save, like on Amazon. The nice thing about Subscribe to Save is that it unlocks your 24% discount if you're not already a member. So most of you watching this are probably already a member, so you already have that discount. But if you have a friend who wants to buy something, they can subscribe to Save for just one item, either monthly, every 2 months, or every 3 months, and then they can unlock that 24% discount. Pretty cool, huh? So that's the new thing with subscribe to save. Let's say I'm going to show you. Let's say I'm something I use all the time is the Art Skincare. So I'm going to add, I need some actually the Art Intensive Moisturizer, and I need to put that on my subscribe to save. So this is what you'll see, one-time purchase or subscribe. And another thing that I don't know why it's not my favorite, so I'm going to add it to my favorites because I use that a lot. So I'm going to hit subscribe, and it's subscribed. Let's see. And then this pops up, this little white window. You can manage your subscriptions on the subscriptions page. So I want to show you what it looks like to manage it. Okay, so I think it's okay. Oh, this is another cool feature. This little thing pops up. I think it's so helpful. Welcome to your subscriptions page. Let's explore a little. Take a tour. So it shows me what's scheduled for my next. You can see my toner, lemongrass, Art Intensive, and Thieves essential oil. Oops, something happened here. How do we go back? Go back. So let me tell you a couple more things about subscribe to save. I don't know why it is dark, but here it is. For subscribe to save, you can do, like I said, you can put something monthly, every 2 months, or every 3 months. So actually, I'm going to go to my account and show you that. For some reason, it's like dark. I'm going to stop sharing, and then I'm going to figure this out. Okay, I figured out what was wrong with my screen, and so I want to show you about subscribe to save. Let's look at my Art Intensive Moisturizer. This stuff smells amazing, by the way. I love it, the frankincense smell. Here's the thing you can choose. You can do it monthly, every 2 months, or every 3 months. So it lasts quite a while, probably even longer than 3 months. So I'm going to put it every 3 months. There, it's updated. Now you can also choose skip, or just delete it. If you've already been on Essential Rewards, the monthly order, I'm going to make my Thieves every 3 months because that's kind of a big bottle. And I'm actually going to take off peppermint, confirm, delete. That's what you can do. But you can delete everything and put new stuff every time. It's up to you. And I'm going to delete that because I only needed it every once in a while. With subscribe to save, to keep your percentage discount, you need to keep 50 PV in there, but you don't have to. If you don't, and you go below 50 PV, then you won't get loyalty points or product credit. That's what loyalty points are. And if that's not a big deal to you, then that's not a problem. Let's say you can't, you just want to skip a month, you can just go to skip on all your products, and you will drop down and lose your loyalty points. But then the next time you make an order and you could put stuff on subscribe to save, then you'll go back to earning 10%. So let's go to my account. I want to show you all the things. You can go to subscriptions. That's what I just did. Order history. This is where you can check on orders if they shipped. And then what you can do is there's a tracking number. You can click on it. I've already received it, so I can't click on this anymore. But all of the things that I ordered will have a tracking number. You can check on that. Loyalty rewards. This is where it'll tell you how many points you have. Right now, 109, expiring in a year though. And I get 25% off and how many months I've been on it. Then my favorites, that's the whole thing, all of them that I hearted. You can see the list there. Account details. You could take a tour here. I'm not going to do that now, but that's helpful if you might need to do that. Here's like your contact information, your referral, your password, your PIN, your account options. But look on the left-hand side. This is handy. There's your member number. You can go back to subscriptions. These are all the things, the loyalty, account credits. You might have got credited something, or maybe you got a commission and you got your money that way. And then that's just like product credits too. You could use it for any order. You could apply it. Here's my account details, my address. If you move, you could change that, change your payment methods. I love this. Look at Share YL. That means sharing and living. Let's say one of your friends just wants to buy some thieves or wants the luscious lemon lotion that smells amazing. And they can just buy that from you by giving them your personal referral link. So easy. And then they just shop and then use that. You can also just give them your member number, and there's a place where it says referral number, and they'll just put that right in. So I think that's all the things that I wanted to talk about today on the new website, except what if you just want to buy one thing? So let's go back to shop. I'm going to choose exercise and sports, and one of the things that I love is AminoWise. So, because it helps with workout recovery and it tastes delicious. So I'm just, it's out of stock. So it says coming back soon. I would add it to my favorites then to let me know. Bummer. Let's get a hair product that I need because I actually need some Copaiba moisturizing shampoo. And it's reformulated, one-time purchase. So I'm going to click one-time purchase. I added it, and here it is. It lets me know I'm $68 away from free shipping. So if that matters to you, add a few more things. And then I could just view cart. I think I also have some lipstick in here because it was only $13 instead of $17. And I could check out if I wanted to. If you had you could check shipping and payment method. If you had, I think I have to, I'm just trying to see. If you wanted the billing and payment method, if I continue to go on to purchase, I could use my loyalty points for that shampoo. Usually not for the sale items. All right. So I really recommend looking at those website training videos because I think that answers most of it. But if there's something that is not answered, please reach out to me because I'd love to help you. And I love to help you have health and wellness and give you even a plan on how to fill in your best because I want you to have vibrant health. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope that we can chat soon.